Hello guys, welcome back to Droid Wisdom channel. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to instantly connect to your Wi-Fi network through a QR code scan. If you've ever found yourself desperately in a situation where you need to access your Wi-Fi network but can't remember the password, it can be frustrating, right? Well, there might be a simpler way than you think. What if I told you that with just a few taps and a QR code scan, you could instantly connect to your Wi-Fi network without the hassle of inputting the password manually? Truth be told, many are faced with the challenge of trying to connect to their Wi-Fi network, either due to long passwords or connectivity issue. Whatever the case may be, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of simply using a QR code to connect to a Wi-Fi network. And you know what? This has to be the most convenient way of connecting to a Wi-Fi network, especially when a lot of people need to access the same network. I will also show you before the end of this video how to retrieve your Wi-Fi password on your PC in case you forgot it. Alright, before we get to the steps, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly do well to subscribe and also give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, if you've done that, let's proceed. To succeed in this process, you need the right tools, and they include a smartphone with a camera, a QR code generator, and access to a Wi-Fi network. Alright, let's get to the steps. In order to generate QR code for your Wi-Fi, to make sure your device, your smartphone is connected to the very Wi-Fi you want to generate a QR code for. Now drag down the notification panel from top of your screen over to this Wi-Fi icon, press down on it. Now right here you will see that this very Wi-Fi network is the one I'm connected to. Right here you can see connected. Now come to this gear icon next to it and tap on it. Now it will bring you here. Now come all the way to the bottom, the left corner of your screen, and tap on this QR code icon here. Now it will bring you to this page where you have the QR code image. So in this image is embedded detail of this Wi-Fi network. So what you can do from here is to share it with a friend, a colleague, or whoever you want, or you download it as an image. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and download as an image. So alright, I have downloaded the QR code on my phone, my smartphone. So how am I going to be able to scan it now that I have the image on my phone? So to do that, I'm going to have to scan it with my Photos app, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So what I'm going to do is to go to my file manager, which I have in this folder right here. So I'm going to this file manager, I'm going to open it. Now because it's an image, I'm going to go to my images folder, then click on it to open. Alright, so right here you can see that I have the image of the QR code I just downloaded. So I'm going to open it, and right here is the image. So I'm going to open it, so you can see I have the QR code of Ultrasoft 2 network here. So now I want to scan this very image. How am I going to do that? I tried several methods. It didn't work. Scanning a QR code from an image, it didn't work, but I'm going to show you the very method that worked for me. I'm going to click on this more right here. Now open with. So I'm going to open with Photos. Alright, so always or just once. Now I'm going to choose just once. Alright, so here I've been able to open with the Photos app on my phone, and here is what I'm looking for: lens. With this lens I will be able to scan this QR code. I tried several of that method, it didn't work, but when I opened with this very Photos app and used lens, it worked for me. So I'm going to click on lens to scan this. Alright, so let's wait a little while. Alright, so right here Lens has been able to pull the information contained in this very image. So right here you can see it has been able to retrieve the password. So let me drag this up so that you'll see. Alright, so here is the network name right here, and here is the password. So, and right here it's asking me to join network. So I'm already connected to the network, so I'm not going to join. So for you, if you scanned a Wi-Fi's QR code, this is exactly what it's going to look like. This is the information you're going to get. So all you just need to do is to click on join, and you will be able to access the network. So it's just as easy as this. I mean, it's a straightforward process. So you don't need to start imputing the password and all of that. It's just that straightforward. So this very QR code I can share with whomever I want, and all that person needs to do is to just scan and he's good to go. All right, I'm going to take you to my PC now and show you how to retrieve a Wi-Fi's password in case you forgot it. Maybe you don't memorize it, or you memorized it but it's escaped your mind and you can't remember it anymore. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go to my computer screen. Alright, we are here on my PC screen. So I'm going to show you how to retrieve the your Wi-Fi's password in case you forgot it. So in order to do that, just come to this little Wi-Fi icon here, right here. Click on it. You have this pop up. When it pops up like this, just come to this where it says manage Wi-Fi connection. So nothing you should keep in mind, and nothing you should know is this Windows 11 that is running on this PC. For you, it might be Windows 8, might be Windows 10, 7. So the procedure might be different. So that's another thing you should keep in mind. So that said, let's proceed. Alright, so I'm going to click on this and it will bring me here. For you, you might have a list of other networks listed here. For me, this is the network I'm connected to, and that you can see connected. So I'm going to right click and click on those properties, and it's going to take me to the properties page. So I'm going to scroll all the way down till I see view Wi-Fi security key. So come here to view. Alright, so and here I have my password. So for you, if you are struggling, or maybe you forgot your password and you're struggling to remember it and you can, as long as your PC is connected now to the Wi-Fi, all you just need to do is to go through this same process and you'll be able to see your password just this way. So guys, I'll be wrapping it up here. So go ahead and generate that QR code for your Wi-Fi network for easy scan. Hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and share them with your friends. I also have several other videos on the channel you would really like, so do well to explore more video contents on the channel. I would see you in the next one. Bye for now.